Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to sell XRP on crypto.com. Now step 1 is just open the application of crypto.com in your mobile phone, and once you open the application make sure to enter your pin code or password, and you will be at the home section of the application. So from here what you need to do is just click on the accounts option, which is just on the right side of the home section. Just click here and you will be sent to this page. Let it load. It might take a few seconds. So from here, as you can see, like this section buy product and buy asset. So make sure to stay in the buy product, and the first option is crypto. Just click on crypto, and once you click on crypto, so you will be seeing the list of all the coins or all the currencies that are available in the crypto.com. So make sure to click on search and search your coin, in our case which is XRP. So just search the coin XRP, and once you select it you will be at this page. As you can see, like the first option is buy XRP, the second is sell XRP, and the third is transfer XRP. So you need to just click on the middle option, which is called sell XRP. Now I do not have any XRP in my accounts, so you can just click on sell XRP. After that they will ask you like how much do you want to sell, or do you want a payment in the form of cryptocurrencies or the local bank. Now make sure that you have a verified account if you want to sell any of the cryptocurrencies. As you after go to the home section, make sure that you have given them all the details and your account is completely verified. After that you can just go search XRP and search and just sell your currency, whatever or how much do you want to sell. When you click on sell, they will ask you to enter the amount, select the bank, and that is it. So that is all an easy process of how you can sell XRP on crypto.com. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.